Dimashqiah.
Yeah.
What did he say?
A bunch of them. He kind of made refutation videos to a lot of refutations that I've made. I've only listened to one of them. Like, but after I spent the time to listen,
He's an imbecile.
I couldn't.
You know, like Abdul Rahman, he's quality because he's a Wahabi, but he is grounded. He's studied a bit.
No, you can tell he's
So you come out with stupid points because of their whole theology is messed up. But you know, while debating him, I felt, okay, this guy knows what he's talking about. He knows the books I'm quoting. Dimashqiah, on the other hand, he hasn't even got basic logic. The guy's got no logic. He's gone old. He hasn't had suhbah of ulama. And I think he's outdated. He's like best before bread in a shop that goes out of date. And that's why he should just retire. As for Shamsi, he's just a Zionist. Yeah, he's just a Zionist. If he comes to Birmingham, I'll deal with him.
Your Shaykh said, don't say that. Are you the one who said it? Are you the one who said it?
لا نقلده نحن نقلد الإمام أبي حنيفة رحمه الله.
They don't know that. They don't know. They're surprised.
I forgot to tell you that Abdul Rashid is a student of Hafiz Mu'min Eternal as well. That's one there. I forgot to tell you.
Okay. Look, Imam Fakhruddin al-Razi wrote a pamphlet in defense of the Anbiya alayhi salatu wasalam, explaining that those verses are from the, in fact, can be misunderstood by deviants. Even Al-Qadiyaniyah, the deviant sect who believe in another prophet, even they quote Al-Quran al-Kareem. Even they quote verses of Al-Quran al-Kareem. And they understand their verses with their own stupid heads. Are we going to take their interpretations as valid? No, we must refer back to the scholars. And Imam Fakhruddin al-Razi, he mentioned about Ibn Hajar in Lisan al-Mizan. Ibn Hajar, there were so many Fakhruddin al-Razi, you probably could not even distinguish which were Fakhruddin.
To
summarize. And if you don't believe in this, then we give you salam. That belief, to believe Anbiya commit sins, is a deviant belief. Anyone who believes this, we don't give them salam, because a Christian can come to you tomorrow and say, how do you know your Sharia is perfect if your Prophet committed sins? If your Prophet was prone to sinning, how do you know your Sharia is protected? This is a deviant belief. This is a
human being like us.
No one.
Musa said to Al-Khadr, don't pardon me for my...
Was that the last question?
I forget. I forgot.
We can do a debate on this.